Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we got a request from one of our community members and her name is Dee. And Dee writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Dee. I would love to make these centerpiece tusks and everywhere I've checked they want over $500 shipping plus shipping and handling to have these made for the event. It's for my grandmother who is turning 95 in December. Wow. I want to do something elegant and regal for her, as she is our family matriarch. Even though her health is waning, she gets up and keeps it moving. I love that. Always a smile on her face. She definitely is our entire family's inspiration and strength." Well, Dee, guess what? We have recreated this, and I promise you it did not cost anywhere near $500. Actually, it was under 50. Don't tell anybody. So this week, we're going to create this elegant arch centerpiece for Dee and her wonderful grandmother. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so our first step is going to be to cut our pool noodle into two strips of 24 inches long. And then we're going to need two wooden dowels that are 7 8/4 inch by 12 inches long. Next, we have these two votive candle holders that we purchased from the Dollar Tree. And we also purchased the glass gems to put in them as a weight to make sure everything stays in place. So you're going to fill it till about an inch to an inch and a half inside the votive candle holder. So our next step is to go ahead and place those wooden dowels right inside the pool noodle insert. Again, those wooden dowels are 12 inches long and they're 7/8 inches in diameter. So you're going to do on both sides. This is going to create your stability. Your centerpiece will not go anywhere. You don't need glue. It should fit nice and snug. But if you want to add a little hot glue to the rim, be my guest. So next we're going to open up our 24-inch hula hoop that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, you're going to make sure you remove the beads because you don't want to hear a little swish swish with your centerpiece. I'm just saying. The next thing you're going to do is cut off about 6 inches off of each side. And really it's about 6 to 8 inches. You kind of have to play with it a little bit to make the size arch that you would like. But if you start with 6 inches off of each side and work your way up to about 8, you should be safe. I'm just using my foam cutter, but you can typically just use scissors to cut the hula hoop. So now you're going to take your time inserting each end of the hula hoop to the top ends of your pool noodle. Take your time with this. You don't want to puncture the pool noodle, and so you kind of have to work it through, see if you like that arch, and then you may have to remove it, trim a little bit more off the hula hoop to make the arch that you would like. The arch determines how tall your centerpiece is. I want my centerpiece to be right at about 36 inches tall, and so that's what I was working on. So just continue to trim and reinsert your hula hoop until you get your desired height. Next, spray paint it whatever color. For this, we're doing a gold foil. So we're going to start adding our embellishments by attaching this bundle of natural branches onto the top, making sure that you first connect the branches with floral wire, and then use a little bit of hot glue and attach it to the top of your centerpiece arch. Well, Dee, how did we do? Oh, I hope so badly that we met your expectations. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And I can only imagine your grandmother walking into her 95th birthday celebration and seeing these beautiful expressions of your love and appreciation sitting on the tables. Well, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and like us. Subscribe, just click right there. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. We love spending time with you, and if you would like to spend more time with us, you can go on down into the description and click on MissPlanIt.com and hang out with us some more on our website, where we have awesome instructions and blog posts for other projects and just lots of neat things on our website, MissPlanIt.com. Also in the description, you will find the links to all of the supplies as well as the project cost right at your fingertips. So you don't have to search for the supplies. Guess what? We put links to all of them right there for you. In addition to that, you'll find a link to our Ebates rebate offer. We love Ebates because you get to make money while you spend money. What better deal? And it's absolutely free, Free, to sign up. So check out that link also. You can follow us on our other social media, which is Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Is that all of them? Yeah, that's all of them. So you can just keep up with us and what we're doing every single day. In addition to that, if you would like to submit a project request, you have two ways to do it. You can go into the description, click on the project request link, and follow the easy steps, or head on over to our website, which is pretty awesome, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the easy steps from there. Now, if you didn't get enough time hanging out with us today, I suggest you head on over to our Patreon channel, where there are exclusive videos only seen on Patreon, where you get to hang out with me at my house while I do projects for friends, projects for myself, and just redo. Actually, I'm going to be doing a whole series on redoing our studio. So I'm excited about it, a little nervous. My studio is such a personal space, but I want to show you how you can reorganize, redecorate a studio for under $200. So that's only on Patreon. So click on the little box if you would like to become a Patreon and not only support us, but get awesome exclusive insights into me, MissPlanIt. We are so appreciative of you guys hanging out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and so we are grateful for every one of you who choose to spend time with us. So guys, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.